Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to bar lace Vans in a really easy and quick way. So if your Vans are fresh out of the box, they should have a little loop lace like this already done in them, but if they don't, just take both lace ends down into the two bottom eyelets of your Vans, then pull the lace ends together to make sure they're the same length before we begin. Then my first tip for you is to take a pair of socks and put the socks down underneath the sneaker collar. The reason I do this is it creates a nice bit of resistance underneath the sneaker tongue with the sock, which means your bars will all come out at nice even lengths and not small at the bottom and loose at the top. So then the first thing you want to do is take this lace on the right hand side, and then you want to take it up and underneath through the second eyelet on this side, like this, so it's kind of hidden there. Pop this guy out of the way, and then you want to bring this lace over to your left hand side and thread it down into the second eyelet on this side here, and make sure it doesn't fold or crease. We want it to look nice and crisp. And as you can see, you've formed your second bar. Then put this lace up and out the way. Take this lace up and through the third eyelet on this side here. And then you want to bring it over to this side, just like we did before, and into the third eyelet on this side here. Take your time, make sure there's no folds in the lace, and make sure they're all looking roughly the same size. I'll tighten that one a little bit. And again, pop this one out of the way. Keep a hold of this lace. Bring it up into the fourth eyelet on this side. Bring it over and into the fourth eyelet on this side. As your laces get a little bit shorter, this gets a lot easier and quicker to do as well. Make sure it's looking nice and even and good. Then pop it out the way. Back to the other lace. Take it up through the fifth eyelet on this side. Bring it over. Quick message before we continue. If you're looking to try some different awesome ways to lace Vans, I have a huge blog post linked in the description where I cover these 7 lacing techniques in simple steps, so make sure to check it out if you like the look of any of these. Once you've completed the fifth eyelet, again, just take the same lace, bring it up and over. And you just follow along with me to make sure you get it right all the way through, making sure all the bars are looking nice and even. Again, put this one out of the way, take this guy here. We're getting really close to the finishing product now. Bring it over. And once you get used to doing this pattern, it gets much easier to do your second shoe as well. What we're going to do is leave this guy out of the way for now, and we're going to finish the look with this lace. Up through the eyelet here, and then down into this one here for a nice seamless finish. If you like, you can knot your laces into a bow here and leave these two empty, or what I like to do is take both laces and fasten them into a knot like this, and then I like to tuck that knot down underneath the sneaker tongue with the laces and settle it down there until it feels comfortable when on. And this is a great way of lacing your Vans so that they slip on. Then I'm going to bring in the one I did earlier. Once you've got both done, this is what they should look like, and you'll be left with a really cool pair of bar laced Vans. If you found the information in this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you won't lose it and you can come back to it later.